up, YouTube? It's Abe and Jonah back with another video. Oh. Hey, we got a fish right there. We're back with another video fishing. It's actually tornado watch. I'll come show you the thing. So let's go.
We can't even throw like some of these.
Just give you the camera, honestly.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, fish on. Look magic, though.
You guys got kicked off yet? One of these ponds?
He's gotten kicked off on those ponds up way up over like in the golf course, but not this one.
Yeah. The bridge one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one I get kicked off all the time.
There's a no fishing sign right there. I didn't see it.
What?
What'd you say?
I thought that's like kids big fish here.
No hablo inglés. I'm totally stealing one of their fish. Oh. That is not good at all. Fish on. I mean, we can. Oh.
That was even. On the water. That was worse.
For our fishing. Yeah.
You have to like balance it.
They call me steady hand. Oh my gosh, I about just rolled my ankle and dropped the phone. Okay.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah. I saw Quick Poke here one time.
Dude, I saw Buck here one time.
Really?
Did you all just see the lightning?
The amount of times I've almost got freaking raped by a goose.
Yeah, in case you guys were wondering, hold on. Let me just pick this up. It is indeed tornado watch till 11. And stay fishing out here getting the grind.
You should be a weatherman.
Today, the forecast is dark. There's potential rain. And as you can tell, there's lightning over about
Yonder. And also you can
over
tell
yonder.
There's a funnel cloud over there.
Oh, actually, hey, oh.
Why is that cloud triangle?
There's a broken T.
That was shit. I don't want to eat grass because mommy will get mad.
Oh no, Carter, please don't take off your pants. No.
Yeah, you just go down the hill with your board and cast when you.
That's the intro.
Dude, that would be a fine.
What's up, YouTube?
And then catch one.
Yeah. What's up, YouTube?
I could do 2 of the 3 of those things.
Yo, that actually be fun. You slide, cast, catch. What's up, YouTube? As you're yanking it.
Yanking what?
We yanking what? as I'm yanking it down the hill. What's up, YouTube?
How come we were yanking it?
Fish on. Hold on, you definitely gotta put this in the intro.
Wait, no. Hold it down the boat.
Just
Like,
put it in the water. Cast it back out.
cast it back.
Cast it back out there.
Have it in the water.
Not
I
very
let
far.
him
Boom, that's our intro.
Got the fish.
You're welcome, guys.
Thank you.
Use me for clap.
Also, not the sponsor of this video, but a awesome game. Fishing and Life. I think it's by Nexelon.
Oh, yes.
Let me just pull it up real fast. It is an awesome game. I want to be sponsored one of these days. I don't know if that'll ever happen, but it is an amazing game. You literally just sit there and catch fish. So people like me and Jonah, who just love to go fishing all the time, you can fish at your couch. So, you know, for lazier people, try and get us sponsored. Because if we get sponsored, I would absolutely love that. It's Fishing and Life. The creator of this game is Nexelon. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but Nexelon. Awesome game. It has 3.7 stars on the App Store, but that does not tell you at all how good this game is, because I promise you, I've been playing it for 3 days straight. We're addicted, like literally addicted. We're hooked.
I call this the Drake.
I don't know why they're still so slow, dude. We're in springtime now.
And it's kind of warm.
Exactly.
Talking to the wall, cause at least I hear an echo. Carrying my cross till my spirit has to let go. Gave up finding one.
That'll do it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video.
We will have another video coming out next week. Stay tuned for that. And that'll do it for now.
Stay straight.
Hit it.